Good morning to all bro and sis. Uh, this is Oriental Emerald Bar Carrier. Just we arrived in OPL Tarakan for prepare loading of cargo, coal cargo, and this 23 days of June 2024. So uh, the weather is very good, and after finish loading, our destination for discharge port of Ochiba, Japan. Maybe after 3 days completely cargo loading, and be sailing to Japan. So uh, today is Sunday, so I say for everyone happy Sunday and be happy. Thank you very much.